Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to Jaboli's Garage. Today we're just going to be getting ready and start driving to Tennessee for Blake's show, so let's get to it. I'm gonna go to the shop, do an oil change on the F-150 because we're taking the F-150 and the Cummins, and just make sure I got everything I need for worst case scenario. Let's get to it. Alrighty, let's pull this thing out. Move stuff. The shop's a literal mess, but let's move this stuff out so I can actually do my oil change. Alrighty, we got all the stocks and a jack mounted up in there. Now I'm just gonna get some tools and load up this stock on the Cummins as my spare, and yeah, I think soon we'll be ready to hit the road when everybody gets out of work. Talk about last minute, my rear shocks just came in the mail. So I'm gonna put those in, go home, shower, and get ready, get on the road. Now that I got the shock in both sides, get back to you guys when we get on the road. All right, so we got the F-150. Derek and Dylan are taking that. We got Marcus and Jay with us. We're all going down in the Cummins. We're gonna go fuel up and hit the road. It's 11:20 basically, hitting traffic up in New York. Oh, making progress, slowly but surely. We got, focus, 12 hours left to go. How we doing, boys?
In about 5 miles.
How we doing, Jay?
New Jersey Turnpike south toward here.
We're in like West Virginia right now. We got this thing fueling up. The F-150 over there on the other side of the van. We only got like 5.5 hours left. Alright, we just spotted this random car wash. We're gonna rinse these things up a little bit. They're filthy. So let's get to this real quick.
We got our boy Marcus over here. He's cleaning the F-150 out. How's she coming? How's she coming? Yeah, better if we got that ceramic go, baby. We got our boy Jay. Jay, how was the trip down? Long now.
Alright, we got these wheels cleaned up. Not perfect, but good enough on all four. Got the ram wheels cleaned up a little bit. Definitely look a lot better. Alright, you boys ready? Pulling up. Let's see what. Looks like we just got a solid little line. Oh, pulling up. Go. We all parked up in here. Got all the F-150s. Yeah, look at that thing.
Oh, then there's fucking John.
That's too good. Step on it.
We got the boys from Mass, John up in here, looking sharp. Yeah, we got this solid axle swapped cat eye. This thing's freaking sick. Look at this beautiful 5th gen on bags.
Man, every time my phone rings and it's you.
Wow, this is wicked clean. Love the single cab.
Yeah. Whoa, giant to a maggot, big boss status. Ain't gon' lie, I really wish they would. I ain't do no front and get my money on the back end. Yesterday's price ain't today, now we taxing. Way out the fear, ain't no way out for me. They always told me I'm the wave, like I'm way out. And see, I know some real ones turn state, ain't no way I could be out here living like a villain, only way up for me. Moving out the purges, I give time if it no, I take it personal. Say that you the goat, I asked around, I never heard of you. Rocky
Front dry shaft, Bluetooth ear. That's something new you don't see every day.
Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all. Yeah, windows down so all the haters see me. Back then they didn't want me, now they wanna be me. Keep the grass cut low, cause them snakes still sleazy. Always knew I had to glow, I just had to find a reason. Walking around looking like I own the place. I don't waste no food, man, I always finish off the plate. Ain't come to play trenches, baby, can't believe it away. So hungry, think I overate. Every single shot, then I'm thinking John Wick. Every loss got a lesson, every make got a miss. I can't even think of a man that had me terrified. We got options, pick your poison or just pick a side. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, pick a side, pick your poison. Pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah. I've been on the road, we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stealing at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still trying to flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too. 100 miles per hour, I might crash cause a good guy.
Alright, so we're gonna run my truck on the dyno. Alright, so we got 420 on the dyno. Honestly, I'm not totally mad. It's a big ass dually, so not bad. Pretty happy. She's reliable, still lived another day. So let's keep going with it. So I was talking to my tuner, he said that they're not braking the dyno well, so to add 100 horsepower on top of that. So even better, happier. 4 linked and bags. Look at this thing. Sweet. Wow, that is amazing. That looks sick. Gabe Farrell just showed up over there. Damn. That sounds, this song. This thing is crazy. This is huge for a tow rig.
$3.
Alrighty, so that was it for Friday night. I'll get back to you guys Saturday morning. Peace. Well, there's a 2-mile line to get back into Blake's show. Not really sure what's gonna happen. Some trucks turn around, some aren't. I don't know, we'll see what we think about it, boys.
You'll get him on the big drop spot.
Quick update, couldn't get in the show. We just parked right there. Now we're just gonna walk to the show and see what we got to look at.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't go down as a legend in my city. Cause we beat the streets, trying to spread the wealth around the block. No, I can't.
Got my twin over here. Not really a twin, but.
See the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it. We gon' get back on our feet, and I put that on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Or die too young, good die young. Yeah, but here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home.
Damn, this kid go hard, yo.
If I'm being honest, loving you the hardest thing to do, so I keep to myself. I feel like I'm falling in and out of consciousness, yeah. Now we starting to talk, let's killing all the progress. Really hard to process, you're toxic, can't we stay on topic? I feel like we lost it, feel like we lost it. Take my love, don't waste it. Even though I don't mind waiting. Late test, my mind racing. What else I have to do, girl?
So quick update. Marcus went to go pick up the truck because now the line died down and we're gonna put it up and back in the show and shine. So, yep.
Pull me closer.
Alrighty, we got a spot. Not even too far away.
Pull me closer. Pull me closer. Broken heart need repairing, you're the reason. On a hospital bed, the pain not leaving. You've been arrows to the chest, I can't stop bleeding. If you only even though I don't mind waiting. Late test, my mind racing. to do, girl, embrace me. You. Only want you. Pull me closer.
So this is how clouds are made. Alrighty, well, 4 a.m. We're wrapping it up. Time to boot it home. Alrighty, we're back in Mass, taking our final fuel fill up. Almost home, just like 45 minutes. We made it back. Nothing broke, everything safe, no pullovers, was perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe for more. I'm sure there'll be more shows we go to, so thanks for watching. Peace.